Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at the Civivi Mini Bullmastiff. This liner locking knife has an aggressive cleaver style blade, and it has a black G10 handle, and it's designed for everyday carry or outdoor use. First off, I want to thank WeKnife who sent this over to the channel for review. Here's a quick glimpse at their website, and as you can see, they make a ton of different beautifully designed knives. If you want to see more of their products, you can follow them on Instagram at WeKnives, and I'll post a link below to their website and a place where you can buy this knife as well. Civivi Knives and Tools also provides a lifetime guarantee against defects in material and workmanship. The Bullmastiff was named after the dog breed, which is a large, solid dog which is also tough and dependable. So once you get the internal box open, you'll see that the knife comes inside of a nice little case, and it has some fluffy blue lining on the interior. It comes with a few different stickers, a cleaning cloth, and the knife itself comes wrapped inside of a small plastic bag. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this knife, which weighs 3.52 ounces. On the back of the handle, there's a small hole which you can use to attach a lanyard, and there's also holes which you can use to change the side of the pocket clip. The scales are made of G10, and this is the black version, but you can also get it in green and blue, and there are also several other variations of this knife with different steel types and handles as well. Towards the top, you can see the small Civivi logo, and just above that, there's a flipper. On the other side of the handle, there's a deep carry style pocket clip, but you can flip it over to the other side or you can remove it entirely if you want. When the knife is open, the overall length is 7.17 inches and the length of the blade is 2.97 inches. The blade is cleaver style and it has a stone-washed finish and a flat grind. The blade is made from 9CR18 MOV and it has a thickness of 0.12 inches and a width of 1.5 inches. Let's take a look at the flipper action of this knife. The blade's weight is distributed towards the tip, so it opens really nicely and smoothly, even if you open it upwards against gravity. It has a ball bearing pivot system, which helps to deploy the blade smoothly and quickly. The blade feels nice and sharp, and it's good for chopping as well. The liner lock feels very secure to me, and I'm not worried about it moving, and it's really easy to move back to the side so you can shut the blade. Also, once you close the blade, it snaps back in place. Overall, I think this is a great knife for everyday carry, and it's reasonably priced right around $50. Let me know your thoughts on this knife in the comments, and if you want to pick one up and help support the channel, you can find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to the Urban Survivor channel for more videos like this one.